Welcome to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle. Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over what acai is, the benefits, and how to make homemade acai bowls. So what is acai? Acai is a grape-like purple berry from the acai palm tree found in Central and South America. It can be found in the forms of powders or pills, but I love to get them in this frozen puree form. So what are some health benefits of acai? Well, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health and the Institute of Sport found in 2 studies that acai decreases cholesterol and blood sugar levels, increases antioxidants, and decreases exercise-related muscle injury. So now we're at the grocery store. We've grabbed our acai from the frozen food section, and here's our toppings, granola, fruit. I'm using my Nutribullet to blend a banana, apple juice, and it's time to make our bowl. In my blender, I've added 2 acai frozen packages and a banana and a little apple juice. And I like mine pretty thick, and so we wanted a smoothie consistency, and we just pop that into the bowl. We top our acai smoothie with some granola. And here is the fun part, is where you add your toppings. I have our favorite granola. We drizzle the top with a little honey, and we add our favorite berries, and you can add some nuts. We have almonds there. And I'm all about being efficient. So when I make our acai bowls, I typically will make all of our acai and put the rest into smoothie containers and pop them into the freezer. Here you'll see the tops are covered, and I just pop them just like this into the freezer. Defrost that for 30 seconds in the microwave, and then your acai is back to being a perfect smoothie consistency, and you can just add your toppings in the future. And here's the result, our beautiful, delicious, and nutritious acai bowls. Perfect snack, exercise recovery. You can get as fancy as you want with these. You can add whatever healthy toppings you like. People really go above and beyond in making their acai bowls extravagant. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the music on this channel, make sure to check out the description box for your own custom music by C Major Nation. And as always, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.